If you want to set up an alarm clock on OPPO Reno 15 Pro, first of all we need to go to the app drawer, and then over here we need to find the clock app. There we go. Once you go over here, you can make sure that the alarm option is selected at the bottom, and by default you can find some example alarms over here. You can of course use them if you want to. If you turn on an alarm, then you can see when it will go off, or when the next alarm will go off. And you can turn it off as well. You can skip just for tomorrow if this is a recurring alarm, or you can completely turn it off. You can of course customize these already created alarms as well, so you can adjust the time when they should go off, and you can also choose some of these additional options in here. And at the bottom we can, for example, change the ringtone, we have the vibration setting as well, and so on and so forth. And we can tap on or done in the upper right corner to save your changes. You can also use this plus at the bottom of the screen to create your own alarm, and you can decide when it should go off. There we go. Press and hold your finger to select an alarm. You can of course select multiple alarms at once, and then you can tap on a delete at the bottom of the screen in case you want to remove alarms that you don't need anymore. Leave a like and subscribe.